every person has aim. How many percentage of that person they get their own aim? Can anyone tell me? I'm asking from you all. Keep it and let it be. I'm saying you all. Everyone has aim. Everyone has an aim. But what is the percentage? No. I'm not talking about UPSC examinations. I'm talking. I want to confirm from you what percentage of total original student they qualify, they get their aim. See, since our childhood, we all as a students have aim. But what is the percentage? Total number of percentage who get their aim, what they wanted, they got. Do you understand? What they wanted, they got. What is the percentage of that many students? Very less means 5%, 10%, 5 also not. No, like some people are getting directly admission in engineering and all, consider 5%. So whatever the aim the persons have, of that, 5% are hardly getting their originally aim. Otherwise, most of the students, most of the persons, they keep changing their aims. Am I right or not? Yeah. When you check yourself also, what was, what is, what will be, it keeps changing. So whatever your aim is there, if you have English with you, you are comfortable to talk, you are comfortable to speak, you are comfortable to understand, trust me, there will be so many ways for you waiting to get success, right? So finally, what do you mean by success? Whatever you want, you get it. You feel I am successful. But success, what means? Why it is very important for us? The word success is why important for us? Because it confirms our incomes. Success means what? A person is very successful. It means he must have a proper way of earning much money. Am I right? A person is very successful. He has done his academic classes with all first division, matric first with highest marks, inter first with highest marks, graduation first with highest marks in the class, post graduation first with the highest marks, but the person is not earning. Well, in the society, we known as this person is very successful. They will doubt on them. They will feel, I don't know how they have got, how I don't know how he has got the marks, but he does not deserve. So our success is directly what I feel like that. Our success is directly what we get in terms of money, right way of money, illegal not. There are so many sources of earning money. A person is earning crores of rupees, but this is not the legal way. In the society, name means that persons are not counted especially. So can we say the person is successful? Success means directly confirmation of earning. Why we are excited with the success that we got? I got success means what? I got a confirmed, either I started a business or I started a job, and from that day I'm going to earn money. That's called success. Am I right? Am I right or not? So when you talk about total number of students having aim and how many of them they qualify, they get it, less than 5%. Max to max, how many? 5. How much? Maybe 5%. Rest all are struggling, going here, there, I don't know where. At all the places, English will play an important role in your life and will confirm to get success in your life. Cecilia, do you agree or disagree? 100%. So I was telling you all, English must confirm. You all must confirm English must be in your life as a language, and you should speak very comfortable. Then you will feel that I have done miracle and I have done the great things in my life where I am going to be respected everywhere. Else, you know better how the lives are. Am I right? Yeah. Well, so having I tell you one again, how and what, right? So what you speak, what you speak is not a problem. Many of the time you say, sir, I have spoken, we have spoken, we have spoken, and keep changing. I agree with you all and I do the same. But this is not the ultimate goal to be here that I have done, I have done, I have done. No. What I have done, it is useless for me. If I don't remember how to speak, still now also then. I don't know you have spoken or not. Have I spoken, have I given you topic any time to speak about? The faculty you have decided about, why have you decided? Have you spoken any time in the past? See, we all have one faculty. Am I right? If you are a student, you are learning here, you must be a student of any class, starting from nursery to the PhD and all that, right? Normally, up to matric, there is no syllabus differences. Am I right? Up to matric, it's general for all. 100% all the students who read and who are reading, they have the same syllabus. Yeah, syllabus differences are there with the board. Am I right? Like Bihar board has one syllabus. So all the students of Bihar board, they have to read their syllabus. Am I right? Like we have CBSE board, we have ICSE board. Three boards are there. ICSE, na? ICSE boards. We have normally in our India three boards, right? Bihar board means all the states have board, same like Bihar also has a board. Regional boards are everywhere. In all the states, they have their in their regional language, a board is there. Like we are Bihari, we have Hindi here. So we have Bihar board means Hindi medium board. Am I right? Yes. Up to matric. But in inter, there is no Hindi medium. Again, there is a English medium. But you are free to write either in Hindi or English. Bihar board don't put condition. Do you know about? You are even of 10th class student, and if you want to write in the examination in English, do they give permissions or they don't give permissions? They get permission to write. Right, because language is not confirmed here. When you are going to fill up the form, there is options written that in coming examinations for which you are filling up the form, in which language will you write? If you write Roman language, perhaps, right? No? If you write Roman language, so you are supposed to write there in English, and if you write in Hindi, then you have to write Devanagari. Am I right? No? I used to appear in the examination, I still remember, Devanagari. So if you write that Devanagari, you will write in Hindi. If you write like Roman, then you will write in English. So there is a freedom of that. Okay, so under matric, you all study the same. But after matric, because after matric, there is a specializations, area wise, your aim wise, your goal wise, that we decide which faculty I should select, be it arts, commerce or science. Different reasons are there of the faculties. There are different factors which influence the student. There are different factors. Am I right or not? Whenever you decide some aim that I want to take it, there's no guarantee. You want A, your parents tell you B, your friends tell you C, and now you are confused. Am I right? So we want something, and because of the environment force, because of the surroundings, the peer groups, the parents, we are not getting the same. Am I right? There is some differences and all that. Okay. So now I would like to know from you all, whichever the faculty you have decided. It's okay all? Whichever the faculty you have decided, I want you come on the stage and talk. The faculty you have taken, why have you taken? The question number one. Second, are you satisfied with your decision now? Are you happy with your decision now? If yes, that's great. If not, then why? Some more questions. Who influenced you to decide the faculty? Are you the one who decided yourself, or someone has influenced you? Do you understand the meaning of influenced? INFLUENC. Influence का मतलब प्रभावित करना. So we normally decide our aim with the influence of others. We normally decide the faculty not directly by own, with the reasons, because it's not guarantee you are matured enough. It's not a guarantee you are matured enough to decide. Then you need in such case, when you are not matured enough to decide, in such case what happens? You depend on others what they suggest to you, and the suggestion normally is called counseling. counseling can be done of the student, getting information from him directly not. Do you all understand? So the topic is very interesting. Good topic. This topic will continue complete this week from Monday to Saturday. Saturday not?